Kutanda Botso, A Journey of Redemption. Kutanda Botso, A Journey of Redemption, is an engaging African story set in a traditional Shona village. It follows the journey of Peter, a young man who must undergo the Shona custom of Kutanda Botso to atone for his disrespect towards his parents. The story reveals the importance of honoring one's parents, the consequences of failing to do so, and the redemptive power of humility and tradition. In Zimbabwe, in the small town of Norton, in its outskirts lies a vibrant village. Here lived Peter, a young man whose recent behavior had brought shame upon his family. Scene 2. The disrespect. Peter, once a respectful and loving son, had begun to argue and disrespect his parents, his mother, Otelia, and his father Tawanda, causing great distress in their home. Peter angrily said, "You don't understand me. I don't need your advice." His mother, Otelia, sorrowfully said, "Peter, we only want what is best for you. Please, show us some respect." Scene 3. The decision. Distressed by Peter's behavior, the village elders convened to discuss a solution. It was decided that Peter must undergo Kutanda Botso, a traditional custom of atonement and redemption. Elder Maya, Peter must learn the importance of respect. Kutanda Botso will guide him back to the right path. Scene 4. The humbling journey. Peter began his journey of Kutanda Botso. Dressed in humble attire and carrying a bundle of sticks, he walked through the village, reflecting on his actions and seeking forgiveness. Peter reflectively said, "I must atone for my disrespect. I must earn back the honor I have lost." Scene 5. The lessons. Guided by Grandma Rosaline, Peter learned valuable lessons about respect, humility, and the importance of honoring one's parents. Grandma Rosaline wisely said, "Respect for your parents is the foundation of our culture, Peter. To honor them is to honor the ancestors and the community." Scene 6. The apology. After completing his journey, Peter returned home. With a heart full of remorse and humility, he knelt before his parents, seeking their forgiveness. Peter tearfully said to his mother, "Otelia, Mama, I am truly sorry for my disrespect. Please forgive me and allow me to earn back your trust." Scene 7. The redemption. Moved by his sincerity, Otelia and Tawanda forgave Peter. The village, witnessing his transformation, welcomed him back with open arms, symbolizing the power of redemption and the strength of tradition. His mother, Otelia, said, "Peter, we forgive you. We are proud of the man you have become." Conclusion. Scene. The moral of the story. And so, Peter learned that true strength lies in humility and respect. The custom of Kutanda Botso had not only restored his honor, but also strengthened the bonds within his family and community. Lessons to learn: honor and respect your parents. Humility leads to redemption.